Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Ken Rice. 5 families are suing a school bus company. They claim its driver was responsible for psychological injuries to students following a crash. KDKA's Linder has the details.
They are responsible for the conduct of their employee, this driver.
Attorney Connor Lamb is talking about First Student, the school bus company, and the defendant in 4 lawsuits he filed in Allegheny County in tandem with attorney KDKA-TV, who filed 1 more. They're all on behalf of 5 families of 5th graders who were screaming and crying on their bus ride home May 30th last year.
It's a case about how scared they were, how much danger they were in, and the effect it's had on their mental health.
The other defendant is the administrator of the estate of 66-year-old Jeffrey Irwin, who investigators say was behind the wheel of the school van when it crashed on the 16th Street Bridge before hitting another vehicle and taking off. One of the suits says the 10-year-olds remained on the van for 30 to 40 minutes until police tracked him down in Mount Oliver. That's where Irwin admitted to drinking before picking up the students. The suit's alleging he had a blood alcohol level more than 4 times the legal limit in Pennsylvania.
Her head hit the side window of the van when it swerved at some point, either right before or right after the accident on the 16th Street Bridge.
One of the students Lamb is representing had a concussion, and so did one represented by Killian. The latter was also allegedly concussed in another incident on a First Student bus in 2024. The lawyers say these 2 students and the 3 others, though, are all struggling with their mental health and suffering from emotional distress.
They were psychologically injured. I mean, any parent can imagine what it would be like to try to convince your child to get back onto a school van or a school bus after something like this. And it's been hard.
They claim the defendants were negligent and reckless, with Irwin having a previous DUI in 2001 and having shown up at the First Student garage that morning after not showing up to pick up the students. One lawsuit says they let him go on to get the students to drive them home after video footage showed him clearly slurring his words. Police arrested Irwin on multiple counts of DUI, reckless driving, and endangering the welfare of children before he died in July, and the charges were dropped. But Lamb says these families deserve some accountability.
This company is in the business of transporting students every day. It's what they do all across the country. They have to do it safely, and they totally failed to do it in this instance, and it threatened these kids' lives. We're lucky that they're still with us today after what happened.
KDKA reached out to First Student for comment. A spokesperson says they cannot comment on pending litigation. Reporting from Uptown, Linder, KDKA-TV News.